So this is the first video of the data series videos. So what is meant by data science, right? So first we need to understand what is meant by data science basically. So I won't go into deep, but I will uh, tell you what are the required things we need to learn basically. So what is meant by data science? Data science deals with data, right? Data science deals with data. So nowadays everywhere, all over the world, not only world, even outer space world also we are going. Even we went to Mars, and we will go to somewhere, moon or some places. We sent rovers, NASA sent. So what are we doing basically? As a human being, we are collecting, we are creating lots of data, right? On daily basis, day to day, minute to minute, every millisecond, we are creating lot of data, huge chunk of data. That's why now we are storing data into cloud because of our storage limitations, right? 1 GB, 2 GB, 100 GBs, 1000 GBs, gigabytes, petabytes. Now data is growing in such a way basically. So fine, we have lot of data, huge number of data. What we are going to do with this? That is the question, basic question. What we are going to do this? I remember one time Jack Ma, Alibaba CEO said, till now we are learning about outer space and other species, but now this is the time we need to learn about ourselves. Ourselves means data, basically what is meant by human being, everything. So while coming to data science, right, data science deals with data. Data can be structural or unstructural. So data science deals with data basically. So in real world now, as of now we have huge number of data, and we need to do something out of it, right? That is the raw material for us basically. So there are so many ways. For example, you want to implement, or you want to invent, or you want to create something for some good reason or bad reason, whatever it may be. So you want to invent or want to create something, then what will comes into your mind? So for example, I want to create some equipment. So what I need some raw materials. What are the materials I need to use, and what kind of materials, and what quantity of materials, what is the quantity of that material, and how many experiments I need to perform to complete that my process to make that object, basically invention or creation. So for example, a scientist, as a medical scientist, for example, he or she want to create some syrup kind of thing for some disease, something. So that particular scientist will perform lot of research. They will put lot of data into it. They will perform multiple scenarios, frequencies of testing on that particular syrup or method, that process, that combination of that elements, right? So let's imagine nowadays every human being is dealing with data only. Just pause this video 1 second and just imagine how much data you created by yourself. There will be lot of data. You will take a lot of pictures or videos day by day to day, and you are in bank account, money depositing, credited, debited, and you are buying something, you are spending something, you are going somewhere, you are spending some time. This completely we are dealing with data itself. So our we are sending satellites to outer space, and we are collecting data. What we will do with the data, what scientists are doing with the particular data, and not only for complex things, we imagine for small things also we can apply data science. Basically, what we will do with data science will deal with completely data that can be a structural or unstructural, and what we will do, we will process that data, and we will make that data to be clean so that we can perform some operations. So we will first identify our data, and we will try to apply some process to clean the data. After that we can analyze the data, and we can come up with some outcomes like can be a statistical outcomes. Okay, we will discuss about those in next videos. So basically data deals with data science. So why should we learn data science? Data science is nowadays it's growing. Not only I recommend to for career growth or for some job purpose, don't learn data science. I will tell one good example. In I think in Discovery Channel or History Channel, when I am seeing one program, a pet dog identified that owner is suffering with cancer, by smelling that owner. So I feel that owner is she, basically lady, old age lady. She is alone and she have some one pet basically. So every day the dog used to bark, and she went to hospital. What happened? She realized she is suffering with cancer. Because of the dog she survived. So how that particular dog identified cancer? By smelling. Imagine, by smelling, a particular dog can identify cancer. As a human being, why can't we do? We can do miracles basically. We can create many cures, and we can identify, we can innovate, we can anything. Just in my personal view, don't learn data science or anything because of some job purpose or career growth. If you are interested, learn it, then you will enjoy basically. I can't express, but you will enjoy that. So in next topics, next video sessions, we will jump into real concepts basically. We will start with statistics. Okay.